What up guys, Miguel here from Yugatech, and we are in an undisclosed location to do a hands-on on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. Let's dive in. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is Samsung's latest iteration to the foldable fray. Like its predecessor, the Fold 4, it sports a pair of beautifully vibrant dynamic AMOLED 2X displays that features refresh rates that go up to 120Hz and features full coverage of the DCI-P3 color space at 6.2 inches for the cover display and 7.6 inches for the inner display. What's new here is the higher peak brightness at 1750 nits in comparison to last year's 1300. It's also thinner now at 13.4mm, largely thanks to a new and improved hinge design that can be found in the new Z Flip 5 as well, which resorts to seemingly no gap for the devices when folded. Additionally, it's also lighter now at 253 grams, a 10-gram weight reduction from last year. Its overall build quality is superb, and it's available standard in 3 colors: Icy Blue, Phantom Black, and Cream. Alternatively, if prospecting buyers purchase a unit from Samsung.com, they'll have additional options of a gray they call Platinum and Blue. Running the show is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 made for Galaxy, and the Fold 5 features a 38% larger vapor chamber for better thermals. On the software side of things, the units in the showroom floor run on Android 13 scanned with One UI 5.1.1 on top. One UI on this iteration of the Fold is pleasantly fine-tuned for a lot more productivity-focused tasks and workflows. Multitasking with multiple windows, quirky but useful camera app optimizations for the Fold, all make this new iteration of the Fold feel great and very refined. Speaking of the cameras, the Z Fold 5 features a triple camera setup at the rear composed of a 12MP ultra-wide, a 50MP main sensor that features optical image stabilization, and a 10MP telephoto that also features OIS and serves as the 3x zoom. Additionally, the cover display features a 10MP front-facing camera, and when unfolded, we get a sneaky 4MP under-display camera. So far, photos taken from the device come out sharp and detailed with the new 2023 Samsung photo processing algorithm in the works, found in the latest Galaxy S handsets. As per usual, at a quick glance, Samsung still has that more cool white balance that could be hit or miss depending on who you are. We'll be taking out these set of cameras for a better spin in our full review, so if you're interested in more information about their performance, be sure to stay tuned for that. It's available with 12GB of memory and storage options of 256, 512, and 1TB. At the time this video was produced, pricing details for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 had not yet been unveiled, but at the time this video was published, there should be official pricing pinned in the comment section. And that about wraps it up for this video. What do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you want to know more about this device, stay tuned for a full review. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Miguel, and I'll see you in the next one.